Welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today's video is going to be a dandy. It's going to be very fascinating. I am going to take this AC Delco filter here and I'm going to cut it open and we're going to dig deep into everything I know about filters, and we're going to take a look, and I'm going to cut it apart with this pipe cutter here, and I got some pipe wrench, and we're going to do something that's probably never been done before on YouTube. We're going to discuss what I know and what you know about oil filters. Okay, you ready? We're just going to start turning this with the pipe wrench and just apply some more pressure here. Don't know how much pressure you're supposed to put opening one of these. Oh yeah, it's digging in there pretty good now. Wow, it's opening it up real good. Okay. It's not doing that great of a job, but it's opening it up. And that's all we want. We want to open this thing up and see what's inside, right? Okay, this is probably not the best looking video you ever seen about somebody opening up an oil filter. But I tell you what, we're getting her done. So, I think that's pretty much it right there. Let's see what we got. Okay, I took it over to my grinder and I grinded it up just a little bit just to pop this baby open. Okay, now what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to show you a video about oil filters you've never seen before, because there's so many experts on YouTube that know everything about oil filters. And I'm going to take this all apart, I'm going to line it up here, and I'm going to explain to you exactly what you don't know. Okay, the first thing we're going to look at is the cartridge on the outside. Then we're going to look on the inside. Now we're going to look at the filter and how it's manufactured, and we're going to take a look at all these ribs here of the pleats, and we're going to take a little look on the inside there. We're going to look on the outside, there's some rubber there, and this was sitting on the bottom like this. So yeah, we're going to take a look at this right here. You see that right there? Okay, now for all of you that are YouTube experts, tell me, do you know the difference between a good oil filter cartridge and the pleats? And you know, you're going to spend half an hour counting the pleats, tearing open other different filters. Are you an expert on this here? What about the casing on the outside? Like, that's been chewed pretty good and it survived. And this is the other side right here. And that's pretty much it to the oil filter. And so all I can say to everybody that's watching this video is, well, you haven't got a clue what's going on here, no more than I do. And this is the inside of an AC Delco oil filter. And you know just about as much about this as I do, which is, well, nothing. And there's the inside there. You can take a look and, well, you know what? When you're comparing this filter to all the other filters out there, you haven't got a clue what's going on any more than I do. And that's the whole point of this video. So, why did I tear this all apart? Well, there you go. It doesn't get any better than this. I haven't got a clue what this is all about. Neither do you, right? Are you a YouTube expert? Are you somebody that knows everything about oil filters? And you're going to talk about, like, make a video with 45 minutes long about comparing all the different filters, lining them all up, counting the pleats, you know, looking inside and everything else. And then you have like a decision at the end where you say, this is a good filter, this is a bad filter. And I'm saying, you know what? Full of crap. Nobody knows anything about what's inside of an oil filter, what's the difference, and what effect it has on the particular piece of machinery you're operating. So you know what? My decision is, I go by what the manufacturer recommends for an oil filter, and I haven't got a clue besides that, because you know what? Neither do you. So thanks for joining me here today. We explored this, and we come to a really good decision that the people on YouTube, well, not everybody is an expert. And I'm surely not an expert, and I know most of you aren't either. But we do have some that are really good experts on YouTube, and you know, they will teach you a lot about nothing. So come back again next week, and we'll have another interesting video where I'm going to talk about something that's real. It's not going to be staged. It's not going to be giving you all kinds of advice on stuff I have no idea what I'm talking about. It's going to be a real YouTube video. So stick with the channel. If you haven't seen this channel before, well, you're welcome to subscribe and see some real videos. Not staged videos. Not videos just made up with a whole bunch of crap in the back there, just saying I'm an expert on something, because I'm not an expert. Cheers.